Guys and girls, I'm about to drop some game right now. This is gonna be the #1 business, probably the best business that you can start right now in 2023. And you're working from home. You never have to leave your house. Not only can you make $10,000 a month, 20, 30, 40, 50, even 100K per month doing this. Look, let's just get right into it, okay? This is the website. It's called SUPLIFUL. Start your own private label business without the hassle. Basically, they do everything for you. Shipping, fulfillment, customer service, all the supplementation, all their products are FDA registered. So the thing is, when you create your own private label via SUPLIFUL, nobody knows it's being shipped and fulfilled from SUPLIFUL. It's your own brand and nobody knows where it's coming from. So that's the good thing. It's just like drop shipping. And the best part of all is you don't need any of your own money to start. Costs $0 out of pocket. Plus, they only make money when you make money. And I just want to let everybody know before we dive into this a little more. I am not affiliated with SUPLIFUL. I am not sponsored. I'm just here to provide value. You guys know, and SnewJ knows, I want you guys to succeed. I'm always trying to provide value to y'all. And just for the record, if you guys aren't already in my private community, where we're always dropping game, where we have like-minded individuals, entrepreneurs, multi-millionaires in there. We have live calls every week with successful individuals. I have live calls where I go over social media, how to build your YouTube. Look, if your network isn't solid, you cannot level up. You have to make sure you have a community that holds you accountable. Your network is your net worth. Make sure you're surrounded by people that are doing better than you. Click the link in the description below and I'll see you there. Anyway, let's get right into it. This is called SUPLIFUL, okay? Start your own private label business without the hassle. Better Rebuild has a fitness brand selling 10+ products. Niles on the bottom, pro inline skater promoting his signature coffee. Bro, like what is this? You're probably like, what's going on here? How does it work? 4 easy steps to launch your product. Start selling as soon as today and never worry about order fulfillment. Basically drop shipping, right? But the thing is with drop shipping, you have to go find the product, right? You got to go find the supplier. You got to make sure that it's a good product. You don't want to be selling crappy stuff, right? And then on top of that, the fulfillment. Are they gonna ship on time? Or does it take 2, 3, 4 weeks? You know what I mean? You don't have to worry about that with SUPLIFUL, for what it seems, okay? And this is unbiased. I'm not being biased. I'm trying to help y'all out. You know, on SnewJ knows we're always dropping gems and always giving you guys and girls ideas. So right here, look, choose a product. Here's just an example, BCAAs. Choose from 100+ nutritionist tested products to craft your personal offering. Customize the look. You can custom from the brand color to your own logo. Add your price and start selling. Install their app on the Shopify store. It's that simple. Now let's go to the catalog. Let's just see what they got in the catalog, okay? Look at this, they got 5-HT, bro, what in the world? 5-HTP, good for your brain health, okay? Good for that serotonin. Serotonin is basically your mood. So whenever you're happy, you got the happy feeling, that's serotonin. 5-HTP helps with that. Ashwagandha, I take ashwagandha. It increases testosterone for men. It helps relax you, it helps anxiety with stress, helps you sleep. It's a natural herb. The list goes on. Let's see what else they got. They even got mushrooms. Coffee, you can create your own mushroom coffee. If you scroll down to the bottom, they got 5 stars on Trustpilot. If you click on that, look, 4.5 stars. Okay, that's pretty damn good. So let's go ahead and view a demo here. This one is a signature brand gym guide. This is his website, okay? Step outside the box. Let's just say shop now. And then he has all his products right there. He has creatine, he has whey protein, he has capsules, amino blend. So basically he's selling it for $27. All he has to do, this person right here, is promote the product on their socials or however they want to go about it, run ads, make a cool, dope trailer, be my guest, sell it for $27. That's their markup. The price maybe for the amino blend is maybe $12, I'm assuming. So $12 goes to SUPLIFUL and then you get the rest of the profit. So the more you mark it up, the more money you make. And you can see that they got a drop down. They got capsules, they got from category, vitamins and minerals, specialty supplements, natural extracts, food and beverage. They got collagen, good for your skin, your nails, your bone building. They got chaga mushroom. I got chaga mushroom. You don't have to be a fitness influencer, fitness creator, a health person. You could be a regular Joe Schmo. Start your own business. So this is what I would do if I were you. If you want to make $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 a month, $100,000 a month. That's up to you though. How much time and effort are you willing to put into this, okay? Because it's literally right here in front of you. You have no excuse now. This is what you do right now. You go on this website, SUPLIFUL, and I am not sponsored. Browse through the website, find a couple products that you would like to sell. On the top of my head, I love ashwagandha. I use it every day. 5-HTP is good. Some BCAAs, some collagen, maybe your own coffee brand, maybe do like 5 products. Open up your Shopify store. You can do it within SUPLIFUL, where they can help create the designs and whatnot. I think they charge like 149 bucks, so it just depends on what you're trying to go for. Or you can do the designs by yourself. If you already have a logo, be my guest. If you already have a name, be my guest. Open your website, keep it as simple as possible, just like the example I showed you. List your products on your website, and now your website's ready to go. If you already have a following, buy some of these products, market it on your social media, on your YouTube, on your Instagram, on your TikTok. Hey guys, I'm taking some collagen. It's really been helping with my skin. These products are legitimate. That's the thing. Like, they're not just like random products that don't work. These products is what we actually need. We need collagen. I take ashwagandha every day. Now, if you're selling ashwagandha, I'm buying it. Beautiful thing about it is you don't need inventory. You don't need to ship. You don't need to fulfill. You don't need to do customer service. You don't have to worry about any of that headache. All the legwork is done for you. All you gotta do is focus on promoting. If the SUPLIFUL fee for a collagen is $12 and you sell it for $50, that's a $38 profit per. I'm not asking you guys and girls to go do this, especially if you're struggling, especially if you are into health. See, the thing is, I'm really big into health. And there's a lot of supplements that they have that I personally use. And if you're big into health, or if you're not big into health, start getting big into health. This is literally a golden opportunity here. Not a lot of people really know about this. Not a lot of people are talking about this. Keep this a secret between me and whoever's watching right now. Don't tell anybody, okay? Like, keep this a secret. Maybe by the time you watch this, everybody knows. Hopefully not, but take advantage of the golden opportunity you have here. If you're struggling, if you're in a 9-to-5 right now, okay, and you want to get out and you're not happy, you're just at a job that you just totally hate, or you're just in a position in your life where you're not making any money, here's a golden opportunity where they're doing it all for you, and you have the ability to make a lot of money by just promoting products that we need. Nobody is gonna do it for you. Go on your laptop or your phone, browse this website, figure out how you wanna go about it, start promoting, start selling. I believe in you. Remember, no one's gonna hold your hand, okay? This is the most hand holding that we're gonna do, is me and you right now. But after this video, you gotta take initiative. You gotta make that effort. You gotta put the work in. You gotta take the next step. Are you willing to do that? Are you willing to change your life? So guys and girls, once again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new, subscribe. Remember, if you aren't already part of a community where people hold you accountable in there, where you're able to grow in there and connect with other successful individuals, people that are doing better than you, join my community. Click that link in the description below. Like I said earlier, we have live calls every week from successful individuals. I personally coach people in there as well to grow their social medias, their YouTube. Remember, it's all about having a solid network. I love y'all. Make sure you guys are taking care of your health, the irony, your mental, your physique, and not ever doing a disservice to yourself of living the life that you want to live. Be the very best version that you can. Don't just live to exist. Live, to experience, to chase after your dreams, to go after everything that you ever wanted in this life, because we only have one shot at this life thing. Be grateful that you have the privilege to live today. I just don't want you to make it go to waste. And I'm just here to help y'all, okay? I'm here to open up your mind, change your mindset, and understand that nobody's gonna do it for you. You gotta do it. It's time, okay? No hezzy.
Yeah, I'm on a big vibe. Beachside, cool breeze, stroll eyes. Yeah, on this late night. See a little baddie, yeah, she I'ma just say when we try, baby. Leave it all behind on the free mind lately. Good things come around, you can say